Hi, and welcome to the fourth and last video in the course mapping series. In this video, we're going to explore different course maps to give you some examples of how other instructors have used and modified the template. First, we'll look at a course map that followed the template pretty closely. A quick scroll shows us that this course is divided into 9 modules, and that the course map is pretty consistent across all modules. Each of the 9 modules in this course has a similar read, watch, apply, quiz structure. Module 5 assessment includes the addition of a midterm draft of a paper, and assessment in the last module includes the final draft of the paper and a project presentation. Going back to the top, the instructor has listed 8 course objectives. All of these course objectives describe outcomes that are measurable. They clearly and precisely describe what students will be able to do if they successfully complete this course. Moving down to Module 1, we can see that the instructor provided a nice descriptive title for the module in the first column. Column 2 shows the module objectives. This instructor has labeled the objectives so that the first number indicates the module and the second number shows which objective it is within that module. The 8 objectives in Module 1 are all measurable and specific. The instructor can determine how well students achieve each objective. The notations in parentheses at the end of each module objective show how the objectives align with one or more course objectives. Let's look at Module Objective 1.1. The instructor has indicated that this objective aligns with course objectives 1 and 2. Being able to differentiate between normative and empirical research questions will help students apply the logic of scientific inquiry and identify non-trivial research questions. Every module objective in the course is aligned with one or more course objectives in this way. Students in this course read text and watch videos related to the module objectives. The instructor has noted alignment by listing the corresponding objective or objectives after each material or activity. For example, MO 1.1 indicates that a material or activity helps students achieve Module 1, Objective 1. The last column in this course map is for assessments. Again, the instructor has indicated how each assessment aligns with module objectives. Once the course map is complete, it's important to go back and make sure that every objective is aligned with at least one material or learning activity and at least one assessment, and vice versa. For any course component that doesn't align, consider whether it's essential for your course. If so, you may need to create another objective for it. If not, you may decide to include it as supplemental or to eliminate it from your course. A final note on alignment in a course map: some instructors have found it helpful to visualize an L shape in the table. This is a reminder that module objectives align with course objectives and all other course components align with module objectives. So that's what a good basic course map looks like. You may want to adjust the format of the course map, and as long as you include all of the course components and indicate alignment, you can change the structure and add information. Let's take a look at one more course map where the instructor changed it up a bit.
In this course map, if we scroll down, you still see the same basic structure as in the first map. The instructor has included a description above the course outcomes, explaining what the course map is. You can see that the conceptual chunks are called units instead of modules. Most of the units cover multiple weeks. The columns list units, learning objectives, instructional materials, learning activities, and assessments. The instructor has indicated that learning activities, such as discussions, are intended to be low-stakes graded items, while larger assessments, such as projects, are the high-stakes graded items in the course. They've also noted how the unit learning objectives align with the course objectives, and how the other course components align with the unit objectives. Tools are clearly listed after each individual material, activity, and assessment. Back at the top, we can see that this instructor has added some information they felt was important. They've described the different types of assignments that are in the course map. And below that, they've added the grading information for each type of assignment.
If we were to look at other course maps that have been developed, we'd see some that stay very close to the template and others that have been modified in different ways. Again, the necessary components of the course map are telling students the course objectives, the module or unit or topic objectives, whatever wording you use, what they'll be doing to learn, and how they'll be assessed, and aligning all of the course components. As long as you do that, you can change or add to the course map as you like. Thanks for viewing the course mapping tutorial videos. We hope you've learned some information that will help you put together a map for your course that will help your students achieve what you want them to.